Welcome to another on-point video. Dogecoin. What exactly is Dogecoin? How did it transition from a joke to the people's currency? In this video we will take a look at its origins. How did it get here? Where could it go? Is this just internet hype? Or are we witness to another massive crypto movement right before our eyes? The year is 2013. Bitcoin has officially seen its first massive spike, going from $350 to over $1,000.
Family and future is something often mentioned when talking to people about Bitcoin. People who have studied the history of money and know the fragility of the current financial market often see Bitcoin as a safety net.
This movement caught the attention of both fortune seekers and innovative crypto enthusiasts. 2013 would become the year Dogecoin was born. Said to be started as a joke in December of 2013. Two software engineers, Billy Marcus of IBM and Jackson Palmer of Adobe, collaborated to create Dogecoin. They were able to select existing crypto architecture to develop Dogecoin.
Technologies built on the blockchain are definitely the future. I think they're going to revolutionize everything. And that's one of the reasons that I'm so interested in Dogecoin, is that I think it's kind of inevitable that we're going in that direction. And I would much rather live in a world that's built on the principles of Dogecoin than one where built on the principles of some of these other Bitcoin derivatives that were made purely out of greed.
With a starting point of merely a fraction of a single penny, would honorable intentions on top of existing architecture be enough to actually raise the value of Dogecoin? Short answer: yes. Over a 3-day period, Dogecoin was able to run up nearly 300%. But this spike would be short-lived. Losing momentum, a hacker managed to breach a Dogecoin wallet and take millions of coin. The combination of these events surely could have taken it completely out of the crypto race. However, a community of people who firmly believed in this cryptocurrency band together and donated enough Dogecoin to make those affected by the theft completely whole again. With 2013 at an end, and a wild yet successful start for the Doge, it survived. But would merely surviving be enough to actually raise its value? Nearly forgotten by developers. Over the next several years, Dogecoin was able to hold its ground. But its price wouldn't increase until another series of events made it the topic of conversation again. As 2020 ends, and we enter 2021, Dogecoin would yet again receive attention and a closer look. However, it's now equipped with a story under its belt. A story of rising through difficult times and surviving. This story offers key points that now connect with a wider audience, backed by a solid community of believers, based on a crypto architecture and core beliefs of integrity that have proven it can weather difficult times and rise, and the power of the internet. But would this be enough to yet again raise the price? Yes. Perhaps the ability for even novice investors to buy into crypto with ease provided yet another key catalyst, on top of goals of the people that supported it, all while gaining mainstream attention and respect.
Elon, do you think Dogecoin can really be the next currency for the world?
Well, I mean, there's currently a poll to say, what do you want?
I want it to go.
I'm in. All right. So then, I mean, I think it should be the will of the people, you know?
But is there a problem because it's not limited? Because it's not like Bitcoin with a limited number of coins and it can just expand infinitely. Do you think that brings away the value from the coin?
Yes, it does. But, and I mean, first of all, I think people should not invest their life savings in cryptocurrency, to be clear. I think that's unwise. But, I mean, if you want to sort of, you know, just speculate and kind of like, I don't know, maybe have some fun. I mean, it's like there's a good chance that crypto is the future currency of Earth. And then it's like, well, which one is it going to be? You know, and maybe it'll be multiple. But it should be considered speculation at this point. And so, you know, don't go too far on the crypto speculation front.
So disposable income is okay, but don't bet the farm on it?
Don't bet the farm on crypto. Right. Don't bet the farm on crypto, to be clear.
I hear you. Yeah. Does it matter that Dogecoin was invented as a joke? Is the technology still there for it too?
No, I think it's actually, the point is that Dogecoin was invented as a joke, as essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency. And that's why I think there's like an argument, like fate loves irony. Like the most entertaining outcome is the most, like what would be the most ironic outcome? That the currency that was invented as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency.
Right. Wow. No, absolutely. So, to the moon.
To the moon.
You still believe in?
Are these events the reason Dogecoin was able to once again spike? Going from well under a single penny to over 8 cents in a matter of days. We now know where it's been. Some of the patterns we've witnessed can easily be compared to the path Bitcoin has taken. But will this be enough for Dogecoin to reach its targets? 10 cents? $1? Is it possible it could go even higher? If you found this content helpful so far, be sure to like and subscribe. In our next video we will take a look at what the future could hold for the coin. We will examine current factors that may add to Dogecoin's future story of success, such as retailers now accepting it as payment. Open petitions aim to build more value into the currency, and a possible broader range of retailer support, and the potential profits for current and future Dogecoin holders.
You know, the biggest thing that it's all waiting on is a company like BitPay or Coinbase for Bitcoin, a company that will say, you know, we'll let your company accept Dogecoin, but we'll just give you US dollars. As soon as that's in place, I honestly think you'll see thousands of businesses starting to take Dogecoin.
To the moon!